Hey guys, I know a lot of people who were working from home now have shifted to hybrid work culture where you have to shift to the cities and some days are in office, some days are at home. So I've also moved to city back again and have left my native. So but since I have to work from home for a couple of days in a week, I had to buy some work from home office stuff to sort of settle here. So I think the first thing which I needed was a comfortable table. So I have been using one table at home, and I thought that will work really well over here also. So let me show you the unboxing and give you an overview of what I have done. Hi guys, so here's another video of Furlay's another kind of a study or work from home setup table. So last video which I posted was a complete DIY table which has like separate legs, separate top, and you have to assemble it. This one is like a semi DIY kind of a table where you don't actually have to assemble the legs. It is pre-assembled, or it's like a collapsible table, so it's a good if you want to move this table here in and around house. So setup is very easy. What I'll show you is that next part is that how I assembled it, and assembly is quite easy. I think the only places where you have to put nuts or screw them is on the footing side, because once I show you the setup, it's easy. You open this uh, sort of a folding mechanism which has legs, and you will just have to place this part of the board on top of it, and it's that easy. Only you get screws which are here. These are only required possibly to set up on the leg so that you can adjust the table so it doesn't shake on the floor, but rest of the mechanism is pretty easy. So let's begin. So there are sort of three kinds of attachment which comes with this. One is this is the sort of a last piece which goes into the bottom of the table, which you can screw in and adjust according to your um, floor levels so that table doesn't shake. One is this one. This is where this attachment will go, but this has to be placed here. So generally it may come pre-installed, like in my case 4 were already installed, one I have to sort of put in, but it doesn't go that easily. So if you have a hammer handy or some heavy thing, you may have to sort of push it forcefully, but it's not that difficult. It's good that it's tight and it doesn't move, goes anywhere. So like this, for all the three corners you will get these screws, and you have to sort of screw it in. So let's do that quickly. So these are the attachment which also comes in box. So these are something which has to be which are put has to be put under the table. So these ones are screwed with the table. This part will eventually go to this part so that your table top doesn't move or goes anywhere. These are already pre-installed. These are additional four attachments which I received with it. So if in case it is damaged or you want to move something, these can be used, but it's already pre-installed with the table. So these are the grooves which are already pre-installed. This will go directly onto the iron. So you might have to just see underneath if it's going there, and just match it accordingly, and just this and this. So one side is fixed, and then just do it. So that's it. That's table is set up already. What I'll show you is that I'll take the measuring tape and I'll show you guys the overall dimension of the table, so you'll get an idea if that suits, although it's available on the website, but I'll give you the actual measures. So the measurement on the horizontal side, 95 centimeter, and if you see, this side comes out to be exactly 45. And if you want to know the distance between from the floor, the base of this table around 72.5 centimeter. So but since the screws on the bottom are there to decrease the height, so I think it can go up to 73 centimeters easily. So that's about the dimensions. Obviously this is a plastic wrap, you can remove it. I'll remove it just right away, and you can use this table. It's easy to fold, easy to expand. As I told you before, I'm already using this another table which I have for like last 6-7 months, and it has been holding quite good. The good part of it is that it consume less space overall, and if you have like a work from home setup, or you have a study room which is in smaller size, or you need a table which is in smaller size, this is quite a good option. Also, since it's a foldable setup, you can just take the top and then fold the legs, and you can just shift it anywhere. So thanks guys. If you guys have any question, I'll be able to answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you.